Hello and welcome to our dental homepage. Now in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the products that we offer for dentists. We have filtered earplugs, we have full stop earplugs, we have custom communication devices, we have filtered earplugs that allow you to plug into a communication device, we have electronic hearing protection, we have a very wide variety. However, you as an individual have completely different needs depending upon your practice. If you're somebody who has communications with every other person in your practice, you're going to need something completely different than somebody who is only a single person working alone. So what I'd like you to do is ask yourself a couple questions as you go through our products. The questions I'd like to ask yourself are, first of all, what does your normal lifestyle look like? Are you somebody who hunts a lot? Do you shoot guns at the gun range? Do you ride motorcycles? Do you skydive? What does your normal day-to-day life look like? Do you engage in those activities outside of your dental practice? Because there's different products for different circumstances, and if you're using an earplug while you skydive, you can still use that earplug while you shoot guns. You can still use that earplug if you're going to be working in your dental practice. So if your lifestyle does look like that and you live a really loud lifestyle, maybe you need to get two types of earplugs. A full stop earplug for skydiving or shooting guns, and then a filtered earplug for your practice. Or you can get a filtered earplug with a higher decibel filter, and you can mix and match, and you can get the right products to match the environment that you're in on a daily basis. When it comes to different products, I want to go through a brief introduction to them. We have filtered earplugs like these guys here. These are my custom filtered earplugs. It allows me to put them in my head. I can still hear everything around me, and I'm comfortable. Then we also have our custom full stop earplugs. This is them here. We have them in different sizes, and all it requires us to do is either use more or less material depending upon what you're going to use them for. So for instance, if you're going to use them on a motorcycle, or if you're going to be sleeping in them, then I make them nice and small and flush like these. If you're going to be shooting guns and you want to be able to get a hold of them, then I can make them larger in the ear canal. Then we also have our custom headphones and our communication devices. What the process looks like is we have you sit down, you fill out a little bit of information, then we put two little foam blocks in your ears. We inject the silicone material into the side of your ear. Depending upon the product that you like, if you get a lab generated product, we take a set of full impressions and we take that away with us. If you would like to get a set of just solid earplugs, we can make that on the spot and then you take it home with you. We make that on the spot. What we do is we cut off the ends, we Dremel and coat it, and then we give it to you, or we can just send it to you. It's very simple to do. It takes between 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the climate to make the impression. And then if we make the solid earplug on site, it takes anywhere from a half an hour to an hour for us to finish the product, or we can send it to you the next day at your office or just drop it off. And then if you want to get a set of the filtered earplugs, or if you'd like to get a set of custom headphones or communication device, it takes between 4 to 6 weeks, and then we ship it out to you. So, and the reason why I'm making this video for dentists is there's a major issue in the dental field. Tinnitus and hearing loss is a major contributor to early retirement, and it is a major contributor to a degraded quality of life for dentists. Just like losing your teeth, it can have a major effect on your life. So what I'd like for you to do is just to educate yourself. If this video has piqued your interest, go out and do your research, understand what you face as a dentist. We have a bunch of resources, but I'd like for you to go out and do your homework and really understand this. And then you can come to me with questions. If you're really interested in something, but you're just not quite sure about it, that's what we're here to do. I want to serve you and want to get you the best products possible. So if you are interested, please, you can send me an email, you can give me a phone call, or you can go to the bottom right-hand side of your screen, you can open up the little blue chat box icon. So with all that being said, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll hear you later.